Coronavirus disease 2019 or COVID-19. What is coronavirus? Coronaviruses are a family of viruses that can cause illness such as common cold, severe acute respiratory syndrome, and Middle East respiratory syndrome. What is COVID-19? The coronavirus is known as the severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2. That means SARS coronavirus 2. The disease it causes is called coronavirus disease 2019. In short, COVID-19. Signs and symptoms. Signs and symptoms of COVID-19 may appear 2 to 14 days after exposure. The most common symptoms are fever, dry cough, sore throat, and fatigue. Less common symptoms: loss of taste or smell, nasal congestion, conjunctivitis, headache, muscle or joint pain, different types of skin rashes, nausea or vomiting, diarrhea, chills or dizziness, sleep disorders, anxiety and confusion. Emergency signs and symptoms: shortness of breath, persistent pain or pressure in the chest, high temperature means above 38 degrees Celsius or 100.4 degree Fahrenheit, loss of appetite and confusion. Some people may have only a few symptoms, and some people may have no symptoms at all. Some people may experience worsened symptoms such as worsened shortness of breath and pneumonia about a week after symptoms start. Medical conditions which increase the risk: serious heart diseases such as heart failure, coronary artery disease or cardiomyopathy, cancer, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease means COPD, type 1 or type 2 diabetes, obesity or severe obesity, high blood pressure, smoking, chronic kidney disease, sickle cell disease or thalassemia, weakened immune system, asthma, chronic lung disease such as cystic fibrosis or pulmonary fibrosis, liver disease, dementia, Down syndrome, brain and nervous conditions, age over 60 years. Spread. The coronavirus spreads easily among people and more continues to be discovered over time how about it spreads. Data has shown that it spreads mainly from person to person among those in close contact, means within about 6 feet or 2 meters. The virus spreads by respiratory droplets released when someone with the virus coughs, sneezes, breathes, sings or talks. These droplets can be inhaled or land in the mouth, nose or eyes of a person nearby. In some situations, the COVID-19 virus can spread by a person being exposed to small droplets or aerosols that stay in the air for several minutes or hours, called airborne transmission. It is not yet known how common it is for the virus to spread this way. It can also spread if a person touches a surface or object with the virus on it and then touches his or her mouth, nose, or eyes. Risk factors. Close contact means within 6 feet or 2 meters with someone who has COVID-19. Being coughed or sneezed on by an infected person. Complications. Although most people with COVID-19 have mild to moderate symptoms, the disease can cause severe medical complications and lead to death in some people. Older adults or people with existing medical conditions are at greater risk of becoming seriously ill with COVID-19. Complications may include respiratory failure, acute respiratory distress syndrome, sepsis and septic shock, thromboembolism, multi-organ failure including injury of the heart, liver or kidneys. In rare situations, children can develop a severe inflammatory syndrome a few weeks after infection. Long-term effects of COVID-19. Some people who have had COVID-19, whether they have needed hospitalization or not, continue to experience symptoms including fatigue, respiratory and neurological symptoms. Prevention. Physical distancing, wearing a mask, cleaning hands regularly, well-ventilated rooms, avoiding crowds and close contacts, coughing into a bent elbow or tissue. Test for COVID-19. Anyone with symptoms should be tested wherever possible. People who do not have symptoms but have had close contact with someone who is or may be infected may also consider testing. In most situations, a molecular test is used to detect SARS coronavirus 2 and confirm infection. Polymerase chain reaction, in short PCR, is the most commonly used molecular test. Samples are collected from the nose or throat with the swab. Owing to the current coronavirus pandemic, RT-PCR, a medical terminology, has come into focus. An RT-PCR test is a laboratory test that combines reverse transcription of RNA into DNA for the detection of the virus. RT-PCR test is the most preferred test for COVID-19. Rapid test. Rapid antigen test, sometimes known as a rapid diagnostic test, detects viral proteins known as antigens. These tests perform best when there is more virus circulating in the community. What should you do if you have been exposed to someone who has COVID-19? Call your healthcare provider or COVID-19 hotline to find out where and when to get a test. Cooperate with contact tracing procedures to stop the spread of the virus. If testing is not available, stay at home and away from others for 14 days. While you are in quarantine, do not go to work, to school or to public places. Ask someone to bring your supplies. Keep at least a 1 meter distance from others, even from your family members. Wear a medical mask to protect others. Clean your hands frequently. Stay in a separate room from other family members. Keep the room well ventilated. Monitor yourself for any symptoms for 14 days. Stay positive by keeping in touch with loved ones by phone or online and by exercising at home. Treatment for COVID-19. Scientists around the world are working to find and develop treatments for COVID-19. Optimal supportive care includes oxygen for severely ill patients and those who are at risk for severe disease and more advanced respiratory support such as ventilation for patients who are critically ill. A prescribed corticosteroid that can help reduce the length of time on a ventilator and save lives of patients with severe and critical illness. An antiviral drug may be prescribed to treat COVID-19 in hospitalized adults. WHO, the World Health Organization, does not recommend self-medication with any medicines, including antibiotics, as a prevention or cure for COVID-19. Vaccine. There are 4 categories of vaccines in clinical trials. They are whole virus, protein subunit, viral vector, and nucleic acid, that is RNA and DNA. Currently, 14 vaccines are being offered to the general population. Thank you for watching. If you think this video is useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe. And don't forget to tap on bell icon for getting notification of new videos. Take care.